So this is going to be our prediction for the day of Bitcoin USD. So let's see what Bitcoin will be giving will give us for the day. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single. So before we take a trade, we need to know what, which is the trend. So you remember, you don't take a trade without knowing the trend. So you will trend first thing. And what can you say the trend is on Bitcoin? Right now, you can see that Bitcoin is what? Go to your daily time frame. The overall trend on Bitcoin, we are in a downtrend. So this is the overall trend. Bitcoin is on a downtrend. So market has given us a series of lower and high. So market has been dropping. But right now, if you take a look at what market has been, you can see that market is at this resistance level, and it is kind of giving us a bullish move. So let's see markets. If you have to go to our 4-hour time, let's see Bitcoin give us over push up, and it should come to a level of 71, 72,000. So our next target for Bitcoin, level of 72,000. Currently, we are trading at 70,000, right? That is what Bitcoin is currently trading at. It's currently trading at 70,000 plus. But let's see it push up to a level of 72,000 plus. Once it taps a level of 72,000 plus, then I'm going to give you the updates on what you should be expecting